Hello guys, let me show you how to enable one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So for this we're gonna open settings first and now scroll till you see advanced features tab. Click it and now just enable this one-handed mode by clicking on the switcher. Click again and choose how you want to activate this mode, by gestures or buttons. So if you choose gesture, then swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen will activate this one-handed mode. If you choose button, then double tap the home button will activate this mode. So let me show you it with the button first. Double click the home button and now you can move it right or left by clicking these arrows. You can also see the quick access panel like this, and you can use your phone in one-handed mode, so it will be comfortable to take it in one hand and use with one hand. And now to go back to normal mode, we just need to click the empty space of the screen like this. And now let's choose gesture. So swipe down in the center and you are in one-handed mode. So that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.